In this demo, we'll follow a best practice approach to error handling in Go programs. All right, I'm on my Windows 10 development machine, and I have two Visual Studio Code windows open. The first window, which we're on right now, will demonstrate the defer, panic, recover process, and the second window will cover type switching. Okay, so let's explore this code. The interesting code here starts on line 8. Here I'm defining a function named startPanic, and basically this is going to make an explicit call to panic to start the panic process. In func main, I set up a role on line 13 to user. Then we call defer on a function which accepts a string, and we also invoke recover here. Recover has to be invoked within a deferred function call. So that's on line 16. Then there's a switch statement. In the case that the role is admin, then I'll present a different message than if the role were, say, regular user or any other user. Now in this closure, I pass the role explicitly on line 24. Now line 26 is where we start the panic. And the last line of code on line 28, well, that will never get executed because the execution of the main Go routine halts where the panic is initiated and resumes in the deferred closure. Okay, so I'll press Control backtick to open a PowerShell terminal, and let's run this program. So down in terminal, I'll type go run main.go to run the program. All right, and we see the message, operation could not be completed, contact admin. So the concept here is to recover from panics so that we can close up loose ends and shut down the program gracefully. Okay, so now down on the taskbar, I'll select the second window, which is type switch. All right, now in type switching, we have a construct that uses a switch statement, and it allows us to have multiple type assertions in a sequence. It's sort of similar to a regular switch statement, but the cases in a type switch are types instead of values. In this demo, we'll compare the values against the error type. If a match is found, then the operation specified by the case is executed. Now, one more thing. It's possible to use custom types as errors by implementing the error method on them. So we have two error types here, two custom error types. Starting on line 5, we have a message log